everyone, it's Laura Myers for CMS-Connected at Sitecore Symposium 2018, and I'm joined by Sitecore CTO Donovan. Thanks so much for sitting down with us.
No, it's always my pleasure to catch up, Laura.
Awesome, fantastic. So you guys had a very exciting keynote this morning with some really big announcements, so why don't you tell us about those?
We did. We certainly had more to announce than we've historically had at Symposium, because we also, not only did we introduce the Sitecore 9.1 Experience Cloud, we also introduced the acquisition of Style Labs, which is a leading provider of digital asset management, marketing resource management, and product information management solutions. And this is by far the biggest acquisition in Sitecore's history.
That's awesome, and I know that it creates a lot of buzz around the customer, so tell us how that's going to impact them.
So 9.1 is going to deliver, obviously the next level of incremental value to the customer. The two big, I'll say, halo features of the 9.1 Experience Cloud is going to be the general availability of JavaScript services, which is going to allow the JavaScript developer community to work the way they want to work and build, headless experiences while still being able to deliver the full power of the Experience platform. You'll still have real-time previews, you'll still have optimization and personalization and behavioral tracking, even though you're building a headless solution. So that's something we're very excited about. The second halo feature is obviously the delivery of Sitecore Cortex, which is our foundational technology for machine learning on top of the Sitecore platform. And then with Cortex, we're unlocking kind of three key features to help marketers be more productive. The first is which is automating the creation of personalization rules. The second of which is automatically generating content tags, which is essential for a good SEO story, as well as to properly taxonomize content for personalization purposes. And the third is helping to identify segments that are the next most likely to convert, which will really be a key part of conversion rate optimization stories. So that's what we're doing organically, and then non-organically with the acquisition of Style Labs, we're looking to really let marketers own the entire content lifecycle end to end. So from everything from the process of creating and managing the production of content, to actually managing the assets and rights associated with those, distributing them to business partners, to then seamlessly taking that content and delivering it up with the Experience platform, and then being able to get not only the behavioral insights back, but now the insights into content effectiveness. That's something we're really excited about, because if you look at one of our biggest customer pain points is the process of actually creating the content that they have to deliver, and if they want to leverage personalization, they need to have just that much more content in the first place to deliver, because your interest is going to be different than mine. And
exactly.
Now we're giving marketers a first-class tool set to actually manage that entire production life cycle. So I think that's going to be a huge gain for them.
That's awesome, and I know it's been a really busy year in terms of the entire market, and this is fairly significant, so tell us how that's going to affect the market.
Well, you're seeing a ton of consolidation in the market, but in different directions. Adobe's just recently gone on a massive shopping spree with Marketo and Magento, and now everyone's going to be thinking about, okay, what does this actually mean, and how are all these technologies going to come together? What we really like with Style Labs is that, with the exception of Adobe on paper, we're going to have an unrivaled set of capabilities when it comes to content, because we'll be able to own that entire life cycle end to end. And because Style Labs is a very good and synergistic technology fit with us, we can deliver an integrated experience very quickly and in a way that's going to be, I think, comfortable to our ecosystem. Whereas, like, for example, if you're no Adobe Experience Manager customer, you're Java developers, but if you need to learn, Magento, now you have to learn PHP. We're not going to do that, because both Style Labs and Sitecore share a common underlying Microsoft Stack foundation and run on Azure.
Yes. Yeah. Well, it sounds like a very exciting time for the Sitecore community.
It is. We're extremely excited and really look forward to delivering these new capabilities to marketers in the months ahead after this transaction closes shortly.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, thanks for sitting down with us as always.
Always a pleasure. Thanks so much, Laura.